Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa recently bought a 2 kg, actually 2.5 kg tiger grouper, yeah, wild tiger grouper. But I normally like to ask the seller to cut it into 4 pieces. So each piece about 600 gram, I would say. So this is 1/4 of the fish. So this is the fish tail of the wild tiger grouper. Actually, tiger grouper I think it's all wild, yeah? So anyway, I'm going to make it into a Muar assam fish. You can never order this fish from the restaurant because tiger grouper is too expensive. I think easily, I don't know, maybe 1 kg 280 or even more, yeah? So what I did was after I washed the fish, made few slits on the fish body and I put in the ginger and also sprinkled it with a little bit of salt. I'm going to steam the fish today because my wife is rushing me to cook earlier. She needs to go out after this to do her nail. So I will steam the fish and then make the sauce, the more assam fish sauce together at the same time. So we will need some assam paste, yeah, assam puree, some big chili, some shallot, and also some garlic. So let's quickly go and steam the fish. Right, so first of all, let's prepare your steamer, okay? Then we shall steam it for approximately 10 minutes. Let's quickly go and make the assam sauce. Prepare a chopper, put in the chili, shallot, and also garlic. Put in some water to ease the blending process. The beauty about Muar assam fish is really the chili, yeah? Because the assam water is very easy to make. Later I'll show you. You don't want it to be too fine. Big flakes like this, yeah? Good enough. Let's get a wok. Give it some oil, vegetable oil. Don't have to wait until the oil is heated up. We can already put in the chili paste. So you want to saute the chili paste until it becomes char a little bit, yeah? No need to be too char. Sometimes if it's too char, it becomes burnt. If you are not careful. Don't use too high heat, use medium low. And you can use a good generous amount of oil to make things easier. Alright, so you want to keep on stirring this for, I would say, it won't take too long, probably 5-6 minutes. Just keep on stirring using medium low heat. This is after about 5 minutes sauteing. I'm going to give it a bit of, tune down the fire first. I'm going to give it some seasoning here, some fine salt, a little bit of light soy sauce. This is more for the color, huh? And a bit of sugar. Tune the fire up. Right, basically our chili for the Muar assam fish is ready to be used. Of course, you don't need this much. I always make extra to keep it inside a glass bottle and keep it inside the fridge. You can use this sambal to eat it with white rice. Good enough. Very, very fragrant, yeah? Alright, done. Let me set this aside. See how beautiful the sambal is. Set it aside first. Now we still have some residue from the chili. Now I'm going to raise the heat, put in some filtered hot water. Most important ingredient, of course, is the assam puree. At least about 1 tablespoon, yeah? I'm using teaspoon here. And you do want to give it some salt and sugar to adjust to taste. Just now it was salt, now this is the sugar. If you're using assam keping, then boil 2-3 pieces of assam keping for about, at least I think, close to 10 minutes, yeah? Then your assam water is ready to be used. While we are done with the assam paste and also sambal, I also heard the beep beep sound here. Our fish is also ready. So there are some fishy water there. Look at the beautiful whitish color. I'm going to remove the fishy water, yeah? Here's my beautiful tiger grouper fish tail. First of all, we should put in the assam sauce. Next thing, the chili paste. Yeah, the sambal. Oh, immediately it looks so good. All right, done. That's how simple it is to make a assam, Muar assam fish at home, express way. Express method. Yeah, if you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Like I said, the extra sambal, keep in the fridge. Put it inside a bottle, glass bottle, and put it in the fridge. You can keep it for at least 1-2 weeks. Thank you very much. Bye bye.